friends, welcome to Sari World. I am Setuni.
I am Ritu.
The express train from Colombo will be leaving at 8:30 a.m. and will be stopping at the stations Wagama, Rambutan.
What's that?
Oh, that reminds me of the time we went on a trip to Kandy by train.
You are right.
Our first visit was Hanthana Bird Park, and that is what you are going to see in this video. In the next video, we will show you the other places we visited in Kandy. Hanthana Bird Park is a huge bird park consisting of approximately 27 acres. Not only a park, but it is also a beautiful ecotourism site.
Do you want to feed the birds? Do you want to keep them on your hands?
Or walk around a beautiful, amazing landscape with your family?
What are you waiting for? Let's go and see.
We started our journey from Colombo Port Railway Station. As we got seats reserved in advance, it was really easy to settle in the train.
As kids, we enjoy the train journey by writing down the stations we pass.
This is the Kandy station. It took only 2.5 hours from Colombo. You can see a large-sized photo of Prince Danta and Princess Hemamali, who brought the Buddha's tooth relic to Sri Lanka. Have you seen the end of the railway tracks? This is the entrance to Hanthana International Bird Sanctuary. At the entrance, pictures of birds, butterflies are carved on walls, and really eye-catching landscape.
This is the view immediately after the ticket counters. There are some restaurants for food and cool drink.
Here is the entrance part to the bird watching area.
These are 3 main areas you can see here.
These are domestic goose and swan goose. The cage is fairly large so they can freely roam inside.
These are some beautiful lovebirds.
Here's another bird. Look at its eyes.
This is an African grey parrot. This is a silver pigeon.
This is another lovebird's cage.
This is a silver polished chicken. They can live up to 10 to 13 years.
This is Japanese bantam's chicken. These are some beautiful yellow birds.
See the landscaping? It is absolutely beautiful. Calm your mind.
Some more birds. Couldn't see their name.
This is a white peacock.
Here we go. One of the most attractive birds due to its dance. See the complete set of feathers when it's fully extended?
Take a break. Having a coffee in this cool climate makes you refresh.
Not only the birds, the footpaths are decorated with flowers and added more beauty to the environment.
Places for group photographs.
Enjoy the birds keeping on your hand.
There are some kids' play areas with many play items, so at the end of a long walk, we can play a bit.
So, did you enjoy our video? The next video is all about the tea museum in Kandy. So, if you liked our video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down. We'll see you again in our next video. Bye!